Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
To access the Gateway Arch, entry to the Tram system is controlled through time ticketing. While tickets can be purchased on site, availability is limited during peak periods, so booking in advance provides a defined entry window and reduces waiting time. This allows movement through the process to follow a more predictable sequence. There are 2 tram entrances beneath the arch, one positioned closer to the Old Courthouse and the other towards the riverfront. Both lead through security screening before entering the underground visitor areas. From there, visitors move into staging zones where groups are organized ahead of boarding. The tram operates in small capsule units, each carrying a limited number of people, which means departures are scheduled in intervals rather than continuous flow. Arriving on time is important, as late arrivals may miss their assigned slots and need to wait for the next available departure. The experience is structured as a series of steps, moving from ticketing to security, then staging and boarding. During quieter periods, this process can be relatively quick, but at busy times, short delays may occur as groups cycle through the system. And now get ready to join me for the experience of how to get to the top.
The number of the tram car you would take to the top. Remember this number when we get to the lower loading zone. I will be collecting these. Same tram car you will take up. 4 minutes up, 3 minutes down. You get a little bit under 10 minutes once you get to the top. We are finna get started. All right, ladies and gentlemen, y'all can follow me. First stop of the tour, you look to the left, you'll see the 4 screens on the wall. Those screens represent some of our past and present visitors. Some of the photos go as far back as the 1960s during the construction of the Gateway Arch, as recent as this year. If you would like to get your photo put up on one of these screens, go to gatewayarch.com, submit your photo. Strong possibility you'll become a part of our tours. Follow me. The next stop of the tour will be photos. Stop right here and she'll call me. I know, I didn't. I ain't good at this. I'm always on the stop. Put it all together. 3 minutes down. You get about 8.5, 9 minutes once you get to the top. But once you are up top, there are 16 windows on each side. You look out to the east, you can see the Mississippi River, the state of Illinois. You look out to the west, you can see St. Louis and downtown St. Louis. We have 8 tram cars, 5 seats in each tram car, making it possible to carry as many as 40 guests at a time per side up to the top. We are running both trams today. So all that we ask is that since y'all are riding up on the north tram, to stay to the north end of the observation deck once y'all get up top. There is a divider in the middle. That loud noise, the tram is on its way down. This is the most important part to me, ladies and gentlemen. Stainless steel. This is the original steel from 1967 and 68. So if you know, you know. This is the real deal. No padding, no cushion. These entrances are only 4 feet tall. They look taller because of this raised part at the bottom, 4 feet tall. So if you're tall like me, please watch your head, watch your step when you enter your tram car. We don't want anyone to hurt themselves, okay? Any questions, do not hesitate before the tram gets here. Again, my name is Tina. We'll hang out about 1.5 minutes and y'all will be on y'all way to the top.
Giving me the vibes of that little submarine that went to go search for the Titanic.
We're going up though.
We're going the right direction. Tight.
Let's get my Xbox controller out.
Where you from originally?
Australia.
I heard the accent.
Well, sorry, originally Germany,
Germany?
but I was,
Raised?
yeah, I lived in Australia all my life.
What part?
Gold Coast. Just under Brisbane in Queensland.
Okay, Brisbane. You said I didn't, I don't know that one.
The subtropical part.
Cool. Formula One fan, huh? Formula One?
No, I was in Monaco last year, and so I left my hat at the hotel and I needed to buy a hat.
That's one Grand Prix that if I ever had to
Yeah.
visit one.
Like at the end of the day, like I was there the weekend before where it was the historic Grand Prix as well. But yeah. Which was also fun.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.